Here I have Nokia C20, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, you just firstly have to take your device, remove back cover from it, and then here you can insert your SD card, and here you can insert your SIM card. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code from my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. Let's enter it. And there was also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.